Hey, Andrew Keel here, Keel Team Real Estate Investments, coming to you live from a mobile home community today, and wanted to show you guys something. When you buy mobile home parks up in northern states where it gets cold, it's really important to insulate any sort of utility infrastructure that you have. So making sure that not only is this covered, but also it's insulated well so that it doesn't freeze and cause major issues, in the middle of winter. So highly recommend, if you have any utility infrastructure exposed, whether it's on vacant lots or it's in a common area like this one, that you go at least put a bucket over it with a cinder block on top and put some insulation around in the bucket to make sure that that's safe. Hey, when we're buying mobile homes to use mobile homes to bring them into our park, one thing we always do is we check underneath the mobile home, looking for any utility line issues, but also checking this underbelly right here. A lot of our parks are up north, and this provides insulation, so it keeps the home warm during the winter. And also, if this underbelly is non-existent or has holes in it, it could cause big issues for the water lines, and animals can get up underneath of this. So this vapor barrier is really important if you are buying homes to bring them into your community.